Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video you are going to see the remaining questions of APSET Life Sciences question paper. So test was conducted April 2024. Let's see the questions one by one. So let's see the first question, that is 77 question. Identify the metajoven's disease from the following. Options are amoebic dysentery, sleeping sickness, giardiasis, pyrrhia. So for this the correct answer is sleeping sickness is the metajoven's disease. Okay, so let's see the next question. Identify the protein coat regulates the aging process. Options are dynein, heparin, kinesin, cytokinin. So for this the correct answer is last one, that is cytokinin is the correct answer. Next question. Identify from the following the biosynthetic precursors of shikimic acid pathway. So let's see the four, here also four options given. Among them you have to pick the correct one. Let's see the first one, phosphoenol pyruvate, isopentyl pyrophosphate, acetyl coenzyme A, erythrose 4 phosphate. Among these you have to pick the correct options. So for this the correct answer is A. That means phosphoenol pyruvate and erythrose 4 phosphate is the correct answer. Okay, option A is the correct for this question. So let's see the next question. Identify the temporal heteroderms from the following. Options are cat, platypus, echidna, lizard. From these you have to pick the two correct options. So for this the correct answer is B, that means 2 and 3. They are platypus, echidna. They are the correct options for this question. So let's see the next question. A bacterial strain with A minus, S minus, T minus genotype is transduced by a strain of genotype A plus, S plus, T plus on plating the transductants on appropriate media. 300 colonies grew on T supplemented plates. So of these 200 grew on A supplemented plates. So the percentage of recombination between A and S is, options are 0.16, 0.33, 0.45, 0.66. So for this the correct answer is 0.33 is the correct answer. So let's see the next question. Sea cucumber. So you have to pick the correct statements about sea cucumber. So four statements are given: skin with spines, single branched gonad, nocturnal scavenger, do not have edible value. For this also the correct answer is D. That means 2 and 3 statements are correct about sea cucumber: single branched gonad, nocturnal scavenger. Okay, let's see the next question. Forest owlet is, options are endemic species of central India, belongs to Strigidae family, Melghat Tiger Reserve, OTDA. The correct answer for this is A. So that means 1, 2, 3 options are correct about forest owlet. Okay, so let's see the next question. Which is not a paddy pest? Options are leaf folder, codling moth, green leaf hopper, thrips. For this, the correct answer is coding moth is not a paddy pest. Let's see the next question. Arrange the sequence of the electromagnetic spectrum from very long wavelength to very short wavelength. So here also 7 options are given. So you have to arrange them in a proper way. Visible, X-ray, infrared, radio waves, gamma rays, UV rays, microwave rays. So you have to arrange them according to electromagnetic spectrum, very long wavelength to the short wavelength. Okay, for this the correct answer is D is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see the next question. The progression of cell cycle in majority of eukaryotes is governed by. Options are cyclin dependent proteases, cyclin independent kinases, cyclin dependent kinases, and cyclins. Cyclin dependent proteases, independent proteases. So let's see the correct answer for this. Option C is the correct one. Cyclin dependent kinases and cyclins is the correct option. So next question. Identify from the following the correct statements related to transcription. Yes, about transcription you have to pick the correct statements among these. Most pre-mRNAs are modified by the addition of poly A tail at the 5' end and cap at the 3' end. When a number of genes are transcribed as a single mRNA strand, the RNA is said to be polymorphic. Nucleolar organizing region of a chromosome contains genes for 45S rRNA. Sequences located at the sites far off from the promoters but control transcription are called enhancers. So, the correct answer is C is the correct answer. Okay, so 3 and 4 options are related to the transcription. Okay, let's see the next question. Discoidal cleavage occurs in statements are given: fish, reptiles, cephalopod, mollusks, insects. You have to pick two correct options. So the correct answer is 1 and 2. Okay, they consist discoidal cleavage. So they are showing discoidal cleavage, okay, in their life cycle. Let's see the next question. Identify the correct statements from the following. HSPs have cryptoprotective effects. Hypoxia leads to development of erythema in submerged plants of wetland species. CAM is a metabolic adaptation to drought stress. Methyl jasmonate confer resistance to plants against pathogens. For this, the correct answer is B. So these statements are related to stress physiology topics. So 2, 3 and 4 statements are correct statements. Let's see the next question. So arrange the following in sequence for the formation of epinephrine. Options are dopa, phenylalanine, tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine. Okay, norepinephrine. So for this the correct answer is D. Okay, you have to arrange them in a sequence. So let's see the next question. A binary name in which the specific epithet exactly repeats the generic name, such as linearia is called. Options are given: basionym, tatonym, homonym, synonym. For this, the correct answer is tatonym is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Patch clamp technique was invented by. Options are Sackman and Neher, Carey Mullis, Maxam and Gilbert Huxley. For this, the correct answer is Saxman and Neher. Let's see the next question. In tobacco mosaic virus, the genome is single-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA plus, single-stranded RNA minus, double-stranded RNA, single-stranded DNA. So you have to answer properly for this question. So for this the correct answer is single-stranded RNA plus is the correct answer. Which of the following activities the SOS repair mechanism of DNA? So ecridine orange, 5-bromouracil, hydroxylamine, thymine dimers. For this the correct answer is thymine dimers. Let's see the next question. A number and ploidy of antipodal cells in fritillaria type of embryo sac. So options given: 3 haploid, 11 haploid, 3 triploid, 1 triploid. The correct answer is 3 and triploid is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Oxytocin and vasopressin of mammals are non-apoptide hormones having change in amino acids at positions. Options are 3, 8, 2, 6, 4, 9, 1, 5. So 3, 8 is the correct answer. In the family Euphorbiaceae, this type of gynoecium is present. Bicarpellary syncarpus bilocular, tricarpellary syncarpus trilocular, tricarpellary syncarpus unilocular, multicarpellary syncarpus multilocular. So this the correct answer is B. Tricarpellary syncarpus trilocular is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Following are the different phases of bacterial growth in a batch culture. Arrange them in the correct sequence of their occurrence. So, lag phase, death phase, log phase, stationary phase. So, for this, the correct answer is C. Lag phase and then log phase and then stationary phase and then death phase. That is the correct answer about growth phases of bacteria. So let's see the next question. During early embryogenesis, for the morphogenic process of transition from the radial symmetry of the globular embryo to bilateral symmetry, polar transport of this hormone has been implicated. Options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid. So for this, the correct answer is auxin. Okay, so let's see the last question. Here also you have to match the diseases. List 1 consists diseases of plants, list 2 consists the organism. Let's see the matching. Red rust of tea, rust of wheat, downy mildew, powdery mildew. So for this the correct answer is B. That means rust of tea is caused by Cephalourus virescens, and then rust of wheat Puccinia graminis. Downy mildew is caused by Plasmopora viticola, and the powdery mildew is caused by Erysife graminis. Okay, so these are the questions. If you really like this video,